Hello and welcome to the tutorial of Reversecontact. Reversecontact helps you to turn emails you scraped into LinkedIn data. Now you may be wondering, why the hell would you need LinkedIn data? Well, that is to basically use the data you scraped to personalize your cold email outreach. Reversecontact does have a free trial, but after that you'll be paying $100 per month for 2,000 credits. Of course, if you need more, you can select different plans, but that's where most of us will start. Now once you log in into Reversecontact, you'll see something that looks like this. You have a couple of options. You can enrich one lead manually, you can upload lead lists, or you can add API and integrations. This option is probably for the more experienced people who are already familiar with Reversecontact, so we'll only showcase the record enrichment today. So to enrich a lead, all you need to do is select what option you need. So you can either do email lookup, find their email and the person, find their company, or find them with a LinkedIn URL. So let's look at this option. For example, Salesforge AI, search. And as you can see, based on this email, it found a bunch of information. It found the number of employees, the industry, the company name, a link to the website, basically everything you would need to personalize a cold email. Of course, now it's easy to guess the company name because it's the website URL, but sometimes you find them to be different. And basically you would do the same if you want to do it in bulk. So you would just upload a CSV or Excel file and you choose what option you want to go with, and simple as that. Of course, Reversecontact is not the only tool that could help you with cold email outreach or sales. That's why I suggest you take a look at this video where I share more than 100 tools that can help you land clients, write cold emails, set up email domains and mailboxes, and a lot more things. And if you want me to review any other tool, please let me know down below and subscribe.